So today I'm going to review a iPhone 11. So that's how it looks like. It's red in color with 128 gig. So it looks really wonderful. It looks really new. So before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel right below. So let's start with the unboxing. So it's right here. I'm going to tear the plastic cover off. I really love to do unboxing for an Apple iPhone because I just like the feeling. It's really wonderful. It's a nice feeling when you unbox an iPhone. Wow, look at that. It's red in color. It's really beautiful. Okay, let's go ahead and take the phone out. So what comes with it? Okay, you got the physical iPhone itself. This looks really clean and amazing. Wow, look at that. And you got a kind of a glass rear end, and also a nice comfortable big screen. It looks really great. And then also comes with it, we also have a instruction manual right here. Great product, the product cards, and as usual, when you get an iPhone, you've got all the stuffs here. Got a hello card, instruction manual in a few languages. You got the pin, and also this comes with every iPhone. It's the Apple sticker. It's a must in every model. Okay, so this looks good. And also comes with it, we have a adapter to charge your phone. This is how it looks like. And it also comes with the earpiece, the Apple original earpiece, and also the USB cable. Okay, so that's how the packaging looks like. It looks really great. So I'm going to open the protector of the iPhone. Alright. Wow, this looks really nice. It's amazing. Okay, let's try to on it. So just switch it on. That's how it looks like. Just give it a minute till it switches on. Wow, there it is. You got the latest iPhone 11 with 128 gig. Okay guys, so there'll be a simple review from me. I will probably do another one just to explain the features of the iPhone. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please leave your comments below, and thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.